Using your pry tool, gently pop up the base of the center AC vent cluster. Once free, you will see 4 connections you'll have to remove. Simply pull up the 3 in the middle, then flip it around and get the one in the back. Put the unit aside and tuck the harness away. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws holding the HVAC fascia in place. Carefully pull down and pry up on the sides using your pry tool. You'll have 3 different connections to remove. Push the latch and pull. Push the latch and rotate the arm down. And pinch the sides and pull. Tuck the harness away and set the fascia aside. Cover your center console to avoid scratches when removing the head unit. Remove the 4 Phillips head screws that hold the unit into place. Pull it forward as far as it will go and start unplugging everything. Slide the catch out of the bottom and pull for the 3 on the bottom left. Pull for the 2 on the upper right. Pinch and rotate the arm for the main harness connection. Put the head unit off to the side.
At BimmerTech, we strive to make sure the process of finding the upgrade you deserve is easy. However, our support team is just a phone call or message away. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.